Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at an unboxing and installation of one of my favorite products, one of my favorite brands. So let me show you what it is. Ta-da! New Rage Cycles NRC has sent me a package. This video is sponsored by New Rage Cycles, so let's see what we got. Moment of truth. 1, 2, 3. So we have got front turn signals for the BMW S1000RR. The box comes with the turn signals, installation manual which is in a card. We have to go online to look for it. Installation hardware, screws, spacers, bolts, washers, etc. and a pair of mirror block-offs. So talking about the indicators, they are made in aluminum, they have braided cables. So it's of very good quality, and they have connectors that go in directly to the OEM connectors, so no need for any cutting or splitting. These are the LEDs, and these cushions are in place so that it doesn't vibrate or it doesn't scratch the fairings once you install them. So I'm excited to do this installation, so I'm going to take you guys through the process step by step without wasting any time. Let's get going. As you can see, I already installed the bar and mirrors yesterday, because in order to install the new indicators I'll have to remove these, and they are fixed to the rear view mirrors on my bike. I cannot ride without mirrors, so we'll be removing these and we'll be using these from here on. So now let's start installing the NRC indicators for the BMW S1000RR. First step is removal of the windshield, because the connectors for the turn signals are under this piece which is under the visor. Let's get started. Here we go. This thing is held by 2 push pins and 1 small projection which holds on to this. So all you have to do is pull it gently from these 2 sides and then slide it down, and this comes off. And now we have to remove these 2 clips from its connectors so that the turn signal gets disconnected. Okay. And now we have to undo these 2 bolts on either sides so that the mirror comes off. So once the bolts are removed, you can just remove the mirror and thread the cable through this gap, and we are done. So now let's do the same thing for the next side. Let's get this cleaned up first before putting on the new ones. Installing, let's check if both the turn signals are working properly. Left and right. Now let's install the NRC turn signals. All you have to do is place it here and make sure the screw holes are aligned with the holes where the OEM mirrors were. I'm gonna thread in the wire through the inside, out through, and just leave it here. The block of plates connects to the indicator and holds it in place. So the screw and the spacers, they go in an order. So first the screw goes in on top of the mirror block of plates, and then the flat spacer, then these cylindrical spacers go in place and they slide in here. Once that's secure, you can bolt them in. So let's just hand tighten these, install the other side and check if everything is working, and then we will torque it to the settings. So now we have installed the indicators. They haven't been tightened, so let's just connect them and see if they're working perfectly. And if they do, you can pass down. Moment of truth. Look at that. They actually look really good, huh? Left and right. Okay. Now time to tighten everything down. see the final product. This is the end product. I'm actually so happy. It looks really amazing with the bar and mirrors and stealth indicators. You know, if you know where to look, only then you'll know that there are indicators. If not, you won't even notice that they are actually really bright. And I'm in love with these bar and mirrors. I got it from a shop called Primo Customs. I think they're based out of Mumbai. I'm really not sure. I found them online on Instagram. And the mirrors also, they look good. They fit perfectly to the bike. Now say hi to my sharkies. Hello sharkies. And that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.